Welcome to the Senior Spark channel. In this video, we will discuss how to use social media to stay connected with your loved ones and community. Social media is a great way to stay connected with family and friends, especially if they live far away. It can also help you stay informed about events and news in your community. But if you're new to social media, it can be overwhelming. The first step is to choose the right platform. Facebook is the most popular social media platform and is easy to use. You can create a profile, connect with friends, and join groups based on your interests. However, other platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn may be more suitable for specific purposes. Once you have chosen your platform, learning how to use it safely is essential. Ensure you keep your personal information private and be cautious when clicking on links or accepting friend requests from people you don't know. Another important aspect of using social media is how you interact with others. Remember to be respectful and kind, and don't engage in harmful or hurtful conversations. You can use social media to share your thoughts, opinions, and experiences, but remember that others may have different views. Lastly, social media is a great way to find new hobbies and interests. You can join groups or follow pages related to your favorite topics, cooking, photography, or gardening. This can help you connect with like-minded people and discover new things. In conclusion, social media can be a valuable tool for staying connected with loved ones and informed about your community. By choosing the right platform, staying safe, being respectful, and exploring new hobbies, you can make the most of your social media experience. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the Senior Spark channel next time. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more videos on senior living, and visit seniorelements.com for more expert advice and resources.